Hey everyone, guys, welcome back. Today I'll explain to you how to use a McDonald's gift card with Doordash. Okay, while it's a bit different from other payment methods, I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started, guys. So, first things first, okay, here's the thing. DoorDash does not directly accept, restaurant gift cards, including McDonald's gift cards, as a payment. However, you can still make it work by transferring the gift card balance to another payment method, okay? So, what you want to do is basically start by visiting a McDonald's restaurant or their website, okay? Use your gift card to purchase a McDonald's e-gift card or load the balance into the McDonald's app. From here, you can place an order for delivery or pickup, right? For pickup or delivery. And if you actually prefer to use DoorDash, you can redeem the gift card at a McDonald's location by ordering in person or online, then transferring the saved cash from your primary method to DoorDash for future orders, guys. And unfortunately, guys, there is no direct way to add a McDonald's gift card to your DoorDash account. But now you know how to work around it to make use of your gift card balance, right? And that's it for today's tutorial, guys. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, be sure to comment, and of course, guys, make sure you subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. And I'll see you guys in the